I just realized I uploaded the story to the wrong Instagram page. So that's kind of annoying. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here. In today's video, I want to talk about email marketing. I'm just gonna get my notes ready. I have some time before my client. I don't know if I'm gonna make this a series. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I really wanted to make this video because I feel like it's so important. I've been wanting to film it for a while now. If you're not prioritizing email marketing in your business, even as a licensed esthetician, because if you're new here, I am a licensed esthetician and I own my business GlowTreatment studio. If you're not using email marketing, you're seriously missing out, and I highly recommend that you start using email marketing in your aesthetics business or whatever business that you're in. I feel like email marketing is so important because yes, we're all into social media. Social media is great for marketing your business. That's where I get most of my clients, social media through Instagram. But you also have other clients that, yeah, they might have Instagram or you on social media, but they might not get on there as often as you are, and they're probably checking their email more than they're on Instagram or Facebook or whichever social media site. So you just want to make sure that you're getting your message across to everybody. So if you're posting on social media, you can definitely send out some emails. To get started with email marketing, you're going to want to start building an email list. The way that I started building my email list is because I have a website. I've had a website for a long time, and anytime someone books an appointment and their email is left on my website, or if they're sending a contact form, whatever it is, if they're leaving their email to contact me to book an appointment, their email is now on my email list. And so anytime that I send out, and I call it my glow list, they're gonna receive that email. Another way to build your email list is kind of what I just said, but like if you ever go on Fashion Nova or any other website and it says subscribe for like 10% off your first order or join our email list, have that at the bottom of your website, anywhere on your website. People will sign up for your email list, and that's how you start building an email list. And email lists aren't only for clients, because there are people who aren't clients of mine and they're on my email list and they can be potential clients. So you want to keep that in mind too. Like potential clients may be signing up for your email list. Some people, I feel like they're spam. I'm not sure why they're subscribed to my email list. Because a lot of the times their emails, it bounces, so it doesn't even get delivered to them. So yeah, but we're not going to focus on them. We're going to focus on the clients, potential clients, customers, potential customers. Also, when people purchase from your website, they're leaving their email and then they're now on your email list. It's really easy to build an email list, to be honest. I honestly would have more people on my email list if I didn't do like a clean of people on my email list, just because, I don't know, I just feel like some people are nosy and that's why they're on my email list. But now I'm not gonna worry about it. They can stay there because I don't have time to like just keep cleaning out my email list. But I think I did hear before that it is good to clean out your email list because the engagement or the conversion rate is a little bit more accurate once you weed out those people that don't really belong there. Next, you want to think about like, what are your emails going to be about? For my business, I like to email about skin tips. I like to email about skin tips, sales that are happening or specials that I'm having, whether it's skincare products or specials on skincare services. If I'm having a giveaway, because usually I like to have my giveaways that are strictly for clients and customers, so I'll announce giveaways there. And any updates that are happening with my business, I like to send out to my glow list. So recently I just moved locations, and that was where I sent the first, I feel like I posted there first. I sent out emails first about this location, and then I posted it on social media. Anytime I have any extra availability, then I send out an email list. And you don't have to do anything on like a large scale. With my website platform, with the plan that I had like 3 emails that I could send a month. And what I did was I wasn't consistent at first in emails, by the way. I told myself I wouldn't upgrade to more email marketing, like more than 3 email marketing, like upgrade the plan until I was consistently sending out 3 emails a month. And once I was consistently sending out 3 emails a month, that's when I upgraded my email marketing plan to get more, to be able to send out more emails. So just start small. Like if you don't have to pay more to do something, I really recommend that you start on the baseline. Make sure you're consistent doing like the basics, which the basic plan for email marketing was 3 for me. So once I was consistently sending out 3 emails a month, that's when I upgraded to being able to send out more emails. And being able to send out more emails a month offers so much flexibility. Like I said, there are different things that I like to talk about in my glow list. So one week I might want to talk about like cleansers or skincare tips. The next week I might want to talk about like, oh, a skincare line is having a sale. The next week I might want to talk about any updates, reminders about the reward systems, any plans that I have with my business. And you're gonna think like email marketing does not work at first. Like I feel like that's probably one of the reasons why I wasn't really consistent with it, because I was thinking like, oh, everybody's on social media. But people do notice, and just listen to your clients. Like one of the reasons why I started being more consistent with my emails was because I had a client come through and she was like, oh, you are good with your email marketing. She said that she's like, I guess she has time periods where she's buying a lot. I forgot what word she used exactly, where she's like spending money and stuff like that. And she said like my emails like got her, and she said, you're very good at like marketing yourself. And I was like, okay, that's exactly what I want to hear, that people see me and that what I'm doing is working. So once she said that, then I knew I was gonna just keep sending out my emails. Another good thing about email marketing, which is why I wanted to film this video in the first place, is because I take a lot of social media breaks, which means like some messages I can't relay on social media because I'm not on social media like right now or whatever. And so during those times, I can still get the message out to everybody about what's going on, what sales are happening, any tips that I have, or anything that I just want to tell my clients, any reminders, anything like that. And so while I'm on these social media breaks, I can still get whatever I need to say out. If there's something that I really want to make sure everybody hears or sees, that I have something to say, then I might hop back on social media just for that for a little bit, to make sure that message gets through to everybody, my email list and everybody on social media. But it's nice to be able to really take a social media break and know that all my sales and all my appointments aren't just because of my presence at that time on social media, if that makes sense. Like I can leave social media for a little bit and still have people purchasing skincare products or booking appointments with me because they're seeing my emails. So if you're a licensed esthetician and you don't want to be on social media right now, you want to take a break, I highly recommend taking social media breaks, because I just feel like it's a distraction sometimes, like especially for me. From my thing is like I lose focus, but once I take a social media break, I'm able to focus on so much stuff and get so much done. Like social media definitely helps you lose focus, for me anyway. And like I mentioned in a past video, when like Instagram had went down or something for a little bit and everybody was freaking out, I honestly didn't have any worries, because one, I was at work, I was too busy to be on social media, and I didn't realize it was down until after the fact. But I saw someone was like, if you missed out on sales or something like that during this social media, during when Instagram crashed or whatever had happened, you're doing something wrong, whatever. And it's like, I'm glad like I'm not just reliant on social media for making sales or bookings, because I have other methods, my Glow list, my app. Like, you definitely need to keep your options open and don't have your eggs all in one basket. Oh, also, when it comes to email marketing, what I use, so my website platform, it has email, like an email marketing section where you can make your newsletters or whatever. Sometimes I'll use that if I'm trying to be, I won't say really quick, because I feel like Canva is a lot quicker. I don't know, I switch between. So sometimes I make my email marketing newsletters through Canva, and sometimes I just use my website platform. Canva is when I'm trying to be really creative, make everything look really cute. The email marketing on my website platform is kind of limited, but I've been playing around with it and figuring out new things, so that's good. But you want to make sure whatever you use for email marketing, that you get conversion rates. Like, you're able to see, I can't even think of the term. Like, I knew I wanted to film this video, but I don't really have the notes. Like, I wrote like 2 things down, but I don't really have like full notes. So basically, you want to see your conversion rates. So this is one of the things that helped me stay consistent too, is being able to see the conversion rate. So you're able to see how many people the email was sent to, how many were undeliverable, how many were opened, how many people clicked on the links in your email, if it translated to booking, if it translated to selling product. Like, you want all of that for your email marketing. But yeah, you want to be able to see all that. Like, you don't want to just be sending stuff out and not knowing the impact that it has. So I like being able to see like, oh, this click, or this caused someone to purchase some product, this amount of money in product, or this caused this person to click this link. One thing I will say is I moved away from just selling. Like, I'm getting away from that. I know I said I'm getting off on a tangent, never mind. That'll be another video. But I got away from selling. So my Glow list, at first I was just like posting about sales anytime sales happened, or yeah, pretty much when sales happened or when I wanted people to book, which is great and everything, but you kind of want to be personable too. You don't want to just seem like you're selling. Then people aren't going to really want to open the emails. That's how I feel anyway. When you're providing value, then people are going to want to open your email more. So that's why I switched to, that's part of the reason why I wasn't consistent too, was because I would only send out emails when like GlowTreatment Plus was having a sale, or if I was having specials. But now it's like I have topics that I might talk about, providing value through like tips, providing value through like tips, whether that be for skincare products, skincare practices, skincare treatments. And then I do have those emails where like there's a sale on skincare products, or like the grand opening, in that grand opening email, which I feel like helped people show up for me at the grand opening. I was honestly thinking none of my clients were going to show up for the grand opening. I wasn't expecting any of my clients to show up for the grand opening, but there were a few of my clients that actually showed up, and I was happy about that. And I feel like that was probably the email marketing mostly. Yeah, I have to get ready for my clients, so that's the end of this video on email marketing. If I can think of more stuff and actually have a plan of what I'm about to film, then I will film another video. But definitely leave comments down below of any questions that you have about email marketing, because I do feel like it's an asset in your business. Even if you move away like somewhere else, then you have your email list that you can take with you wherever you go and still market to them, even though they're not in your same area or whatever. But I just feel like email marketing is great. You need it in your business, absolutely. But that is it that I have for you in today's video. I will see you in my next one.